New tips for making Forex profits the easy way. When you think of affiliate marketing, do you just see it as something that takes a lot of time and money to work? If so, then you have a very narrow view of it. Affiliate marketing is so much more than that, and it can be adapted to your own business plan. Read on to find out how. When building affiliate links on your blog, don't forget that you need traffic on your site first. If no one is watching your blog, there's no one to click on your affiliate links, no matter how glowing your recommendation or well placed your advertisements. Build a readership for your blog and then join an affiliate program to take advantage of that traffic. With iTunes' popularity and a large percentage of internet users listening to audio files for information, recording a podcast as an affiliate marketer is a solid way to increase your sales numbers. Hearing you speak will build more trust than simply watching your words, so do not take this tip lightly. Become an affiliate marketer yourself. This advertises your company on many different websites, and you pay the affiliate a small fee for each sale they generate. You can keep track of these on your own if you so desire, but many companies opt for other third parties to take care of the method. If you are giving a particular affiliate a large amount of business, take some time and see if you can increase your commissions with them. A lot of companies will be willing to discuss an increase, if they see that they are getting a lot of traffic from you. After watching through all of that, do you still see affiliate marketing in the same way? Do you now see that it is so much more and that it can be a very cheap and effective way to help promote your business? It's work, but it's not endless hours worth. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.